In this video, I'll show you how to make money with AI YouTube videos and ChatGPT. I'm going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end. Right after watching this video, you will be able to do each and everything that I'm going to show you in this video. You can literally start a YouTube automation channel by following the things that I'm going to show you in this video. So be serious guys and watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is you need to sign up to ChatGPT and open this. Second thing you need to do is just type best book in finance or best book in weight loss, best book in this, best book in that, whatever you want to type, just type it. Okay, and then you see there you will get lots of book recommendation from Google. Okay, you can simply click on here and you will find out 41 more books. Okay, you can literally create the summary of all of these books by using ChatGPT. So now I'll show you how you can do it. Just write a YouTube video script for book summary of Rich Dad Poor Dad. You can literally type this much and just click on here, and this ChatGPT will provide you the book summary of this Rich Dad Poor Dad. So it will take just few seconds. Okay, so ChatGPT have already wrote this script. Okay, so now you can simply copy it. Okay, so but you need to notice here voiceover, something like these are written here. Okay, so like cut to footage, even this AI is recommending us what we need to do in this particular phase. So you can simply copy all of this script. Okay, simply copy it and then paste it in your notepad. And if you want to make some edit, okay, you can just like remove these things like voiceover, or you can remove this part. Okay, and use only this part where it is actually giving the summary. Or if you want to add something, you can search in Google and add something in this script and make this beautiful. Okay, so I have edited all this script. Okay, so now you can simply copy this full script, and then again let's go back to the browser, and then you need an account. Okay, you can basically get a free account of Pictory also, but it has some limitation. But you can of course sign up to Pictory's paid plan if you want. Okay, and I have also given a link for this Pictory in the description of YouTube video. And one more thing, okay, what you can also do is, for example, if you don't want to use the script from ChatGPT, then what you can do is you can go to a freelance site that is called Fiverr, and then you can simply search YouTube video script or script writer. Or what I'll do is I'll put the link of this exact page in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and visit to this page, and you can hire these people for $5-10 in order to create a long script for you, like a 10-minute 8-minute video. Okay, and they will easily create you for this much amount. Or what you can do is you can still use ChatGPT to create script for you. And once you have done that, then simply go to Pictory and then click on this proceed, and then give this video a name. What it is, maybe Rich Dad Poor Dad summary. Okay, I can write this and then paste your script at here. Okay, so now once you have done this much, then what you can do is just pull this little bit up, and then just click on proceed. Okay, no anything complicated you need to do here, just click on proceed. Now you need to select the format. Okay, whichever format you would like, you can easily select it. So I'll select which one. So maybe this one, and then just select 16.9. okay, and then click on continue. So now Pictory will literally create a YouTube video with this script. However, this video is going to be short because the script is short, but you can make it long either by hiring someone from Fiverr, or even by creating more script with ChatGPT, or finding some more information and adding it to your script with the help of Google. So now your video is getting generated at here, 13% complete. We need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, so your video app been created. Okay, you can just simply scroll below and see, watch all scene 1, scene 2, what are at there. Okay, what type of clips are there. Okay, you can watch it. You can just click on preview and watch the full videos preview. Okay, so now if you want to make some changes in this text, then you can simply click on here. Okay, and then here you can see there is the cursor. You can simply edit it by deleting and writing, okay, in this way. So once you have done this much, then you need to go to this visual, and then let's scroll below, okay. So you don't want this scene, okay. So for example, in scene 4 you want to change the scene, this scene, okay. And what you can do is, so for example, I'll select another scene like this, okay. You can use this scene, okay, in this scene 4. Just click on that, and this scene 4 will be changed to this scene. So as you can see here, it has already been changed. In this way you can change the scenes at here, okay. Now another thing you need to do is, you can just click on this elements, and if you want to use this kind of elements, you can use, if you want to use this kind of gifs, you can use emojis, okay. You can use it from it, but I usually don't use this kind of things. But you, if you want to use, you can use, just select the scene where you want to use, just paste it, okay, and adjust where you want to put it. Similarly, in case of audio, you can go to audio, and this is the default background audio that is already applied, okay. Now what you can do is you can change this, okay, change to any other, okay, according to your need. And then you go to audio setting, so it is in 100%, so reduce it to maybe 5%, 2%, how many percent you think would be good, just decrease it to that much, okay. And once this is done, then just go to voiceover, and then use the voiceover whichever you think is good, okay. So it is a book written by Robert Kiyosaki, a male, so I think a male person's voice would be more relatable. So you can literally use this top voiceover that is good, okay. Just click on apply, and this voiceover will be applied to your video, okay. So now another important thing is, just click on this got it. So let's say you don't want this kind of your subtitle to appear in here, okay. Then you can simply move it in this way. You can just pull it and move it in this way, okay. Just pull it wherever you want. Or let's say you don't want this kind of subtitle to appear in your video, then what you can do is simply click on this, okay, and then just this tick mark, this hide text, okay, and it would be hidden, and then apply to all, just tick mark this, and from all of the scenes this text will be vanished, okay, in this way. But for in case of book summary, it is not a good idea to remove this kind of subtitle. It would be best, okay, if you use it, because it will help people to read this text too, and they will enjoy reading and watching the video, okay. So once you have done this much, then you can use this kind of text styles, but it is not necessary. If you can test it, okay, later. And then once you did this, then just click on preview and preview the whole thing, and if everything seems good, then just click on generate, and it will take few seconds or few minutes to generate this video, and I'll show you exactly how this video will look. So now once your video is generated, just click on download, and it will be a few MB, and it will download it quickly. As you can see here, it is downloaded. Okay, so now the video is already downloaded, and I want to show you by playing it. So I'll now stop talking and just listen to this video for a few minutes, okay?
Welcome to our video summary of the best-selling book that's changed the way people think about money and wealth. And today we're going to give you the key takeaways from this powerful book. The book tells the story of the author's two dads: his biological father, the poor dad who struggled financially and never achieved financial freedom, and his best friend's father, the rich dad who taught him valuable lessons about money and investing. One of the main themes of the book is the importance of financial education.
So guys, that's it, okay. This is a simple video that Pictory have created, and you can literally start to post this kind of video, and you can even promote affiliate links from your Amazon, okay, by promoting this actual book Rich Dad Poor Dad to accelerate your income with YouTube automation. Take care, bye bye.